Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope you guys are doing really well and absolutely fine. I know it's quite late in the month, but still I want to say a very happy new year to you guys. So आज का जो वीडियो है it's all about the new 2021 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS, the new TUONO 660, the updated version Aprilia RSV4, the TUONO V4. So before we go further into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right there and hit the bell icon so you won't get missed. So first we're gonna start off with the new 2021 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS. So Triumph given us some glimpse of this bike from back in 2020. So what we've seen and what we've known so far, that this bike now have the 1200 displacement of engine. From 150 it moves up to the 1200. So now the new Speed Triple ditches the fly screen like you have seen on the previous generation of Speed Triple. So now this bike uses a new tail lamp with the M-shaped LED tail lamp unit. Now it's currently new. So along with that, you don't have the twin barrel exhaust sticking out in the underneath the pillion seat. So now you have a single mounted exhaust just like the Speed Triple RS. So this bike now got a single sided swing arm. The bore and stroke are remaining to be changed, as for the displacement of the engine is going to be from 150 to 1200 cc. Along with that, you can have a new TFT instrument console along with riding modes like wheelie control, like traction control, like 3 different riding modes or power modes. Another thing is that now the Speed Triple RS using the same kind of aggressive LED headlamp unit just like the Speed Triple RS. So Triumph is planning to launch this bike January of 26th. So if you want to know more about this bike, you have to stick to my channel. So now let's move on to the second bike, guys. So just like the Aprilia RS660, the TUONO 660 uses the same 659cc parallel twin with 270-degree crank with 81 mm bore and 63.9 mm stroke as the RSV4 1100 factory. So this bike produces the same amount of power like the RS660, 100 bhp at 10,500 rpm and 67 Nm of torque at 8,500 rpm. So when you move on to the further, we go to the rider modes. So you have 5 riding modes, 3 for the road, that includes commute, dynamic and individual, and 2 for the track challenge and time attack. In the riding modes, in the rider aids, you have the traction control, wheelie control and engine braking control. So the platform is still basis on the RS660, but it's a naked version of the RS660 that Aprilia is planned to launch this bike on February. So fans of Aprilia who are desperately waiting for the new Aprilia RSV4, so now you have got it, because Aprilia just launched the 2021 updated version of the new RSV4 later yesterday. So not many pictures come out from Aprilia itself, but what we've known so far, now the bike have Euro 5 compliant with a 217 bhp like the outgoing model. You have 22cc more from 170 to 199 cc. You have new Merrily ECU electronics control unit, improved APRC electronics package. You have now 6 riding modes. 3 are particular for the streets and 3 are for the tracks. Now you have 6.5-inch bigger TFT instrument console. Now you have a cornering lights with LED daytime running lights. You have now a new swing arm borrowed from the Aprilia RSGP20. You have revised rider ergonomics. You have the design and styling cues taken from the new generation RS660. You have forged wheels, semi-active all-in suspension and Brembo Stylema calipers on the 1100 factory. So this bike going to cost around 18.999 US dollar. I think in Indian currency it's going to become 13.89 lakh of rupees. If you are going for the 1100 factory version, I think it's cost 25,999 in US dollar, but in India it's going to cost around 19.2 lakh of ex-showroom rupees. So let me know in the comments what you think of the new Aprilia RSV4 and what kind of bikes or detailed video you like me to do. So this is it, guys. So we're gonna meet in the next video. Until then, Tata, bye bye, see ya, take care. We'll meet again soon. Until then.